Termination of Python script while using ZeroMQ with dead server. I have a problem in closing Python application while I using ZeroMQ. First I connect to a server that is not running. And sending my message. Waiting for reply. So the server is dead, the message will be not send and there is no reply. It is work true. Then I close socket and unregister it from Polar, then connect to a live server with new socket and I send message by the socket and get reply from it. After it the application, Python script, is not closed, terminate. It is my problem. I can close application with sig_term but I want to use it for some reason. If I don't send first message to dead server the application is closed truly. I guess the problem is ZeroMQ IO thread but I can't solve it.
You are encountering ZeroMQ's linger behavior. Linger defines how long the context should wait before allowing context.term to discard messages. The default in ZeroMQ 2.x is forever, and the default in ZeroMQ 3.x is 1 second. If you tell your sockets that they should only linger a short time, your script should exit just fine.
One festival, that's what was